Peppa Pig's family are very good police officers. They have caught many criminals.
At a small ceremony at the police station, Peppa is awarded a medal for her achievements. George stands behind her, staring at the medal for a long time, his eyes filled with jealousy.
Stop right here! I want your medal, Peppa! Give it to me! Never! It's mine, George!
George turns away, clearly upset. The next day, Peppa and George go to the supermarket together. Store security officers quickly appear.
I need to check your bag, Peppa!
What is this? It's not mine!
Peppa is immediately taken away by the officers. Daddy Pig and Mummy Pig rush in.
I discovered a piece of unpurchased merchandise in Peppa's bag at the supermarket. That's exactly how it happened.
Daddy Pig is very angry. George stands nearby looking pleased. Just then, a small piece of metal falls from Peppa's pocket.
This is the gift I'm planning to give George because I want you to have many medals of his own one day.
George lowers his head, filled with regret.
I'm sorry, Peppa. It was me who put that item in your bag. Daddy Pig, please forgive George. He knows he was wrong. Yes!
Titles can cause jealousy, but love is what truly matters.
It's too hot. Can we go for a swim, Daddy Pig?
If you get good grades on your exam today, we will go swimming.